Hi, my name is Aleksandra Jereczek from Cisco Service Provider Automation team. In this video, I will guide you through the process of configuring a net trace file collection and generating a trace required for raising an NSO NED enhancement request. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will assume that the goal is to be able to configure the CDP MAC address under a 100 gigabit Ethernet interface on a Cisco XR device via NSO. Please observe in the NSO CLI that the command is not available in the Cisco XR NED. The NED requires an enhancement for the command to be added. To provide a net trace file documenting lack of the command in the NED, first ensure that the latest version of the NED is installed. To validate what the latest software version is, navigate to a download page of the particular network element driver in the Cisco Software Download Center. For any NED, a direct link to an appropriate download page can be found on a NED license certificate. In this example, I use Cisco XR NED. Here, check what the latest version of the NED is. In this case, it is version number 7.69.6. Now, switch to the NSO command line interface to check if the NED deployed is at the latest version. Display the device list and then the package version of the Cisco XR NED. Observe the version listed here is 7.69.6, which currently is the latest version available. In case it is not the latest, an upgrade is required before the collection of evidence of the missing command. When the latest version is installed, enable net tracing for the desired device. Enter the configuration mode and navigate to the device level. Enable trace row and commit the change. Now the trace file that documents the missing command can be generated. To do so, first ensure that the command has already been configured on the device. Log directly into the device CLI and either ensure that the desired config is set or enter appropriate commands to set it. In this example, after the relevant part of the running config is shown, observe that the CDP MAC address has already been set. After that, switch back to the NSO CLI and run the sync from action towards the device. When the action is completed, the trace file can be found in the NSO logs directory. Navigate to the logs directory and there find the trace file of the device. The file name includes the NED name, the NED version, and the device name. This file will be required to provide to Cisco to request a NED enhancement. Thank you for watching.